Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify prototype testing in InVision, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify prototype testing in InVision, start by logging into your InVision account. Open the project that contains the prototype you want to test. Navigate to the prototype section of your project. Click on the prototype to open it in presentation mode. Review the design to ensure it aligns with your initial goals and objectives. Use the play button to start the prototype and interact with it as a user would. Document any issues you encounter during your interactions. Take note of elements that require adjustments in functionality or design. Access the comment feature to leave feedback on specific areas of the prototype. Invite team members to review the prototype by sharing the link. Encourage them to provide their insights and suggestions. Consolidate feedback from all team members in a single document. Prioritize the feedback based on critical issues and easy fixes. Make necessary adjustments to the prototype according to the feedback received. Launch another round of testing to verify that issues have been resolved. Continue iterating on the prototype until it meets the desired standards. Once verified, finalize the prototype for development handoff. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.